Introducing the upgraded Maptek Vulcan Essentials mini course. This popular free course just got a major update, making it more valuable than ever. It features brand new content, including thorough explanations of more tools to help you view data in 3D, managing object properties quickly with the Property Editor, step-by-step guidance for creating custom keyboard shortcuts to speed completion of daily tasks, configuration for Python distributions and tips for running your scripts, new tips for interface customization, data management, troubleshooting, and finding help. Dive into new insights and explore the revamped course, filled with relevant new content designed especially for Maptek Vulcan clients. Don't wait, enroll for free at maptek.com or under online training in the Maptek users area.